It's silk press season, period.
Okay, girl, first things first, these braids, baby, you gotta go. I've had these braids in for about a month and a half, and if you know me personally, then you know I do not keep no hairstyle in my head for longer than a month. So this being a month and a half, it was about that time. But your girl's birthday is coming up. I will be 32 years young on Saturday, so I wanted a brand new hairstyle. But you know what's annoying? The worst part about getting box braids is putting it in and then having to take it out. But lucky for me, this only took me about an hour. Thank the Lord Jesus Christ. Now I am going in with my VO5 conditioner, and I'm using conditioner to help break down the product that I use to braid my hair. In my case, I use braiding gel, and you know, that tends to harden up a little bit. So the conditioner just helps me break that down. So when it's time to detangle, it will just slip out. Now be sure to use whatever conditioner for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let it really soak up in your hair. Going in with my rat tail comb to help break down product, and then I'm using a fine tooth comb to take out whatever hair shedded or whatever buildup is left in my hair. And we have to do this for every section. Girl, do you know how long I'm gonna be here? So if you really think I'm about to sit here and detangle my whole entire head for you to see, baby, you're tripping. First of all, I started this process off at night, which was a big mistake. Had to wake up the next day and continue because I was overwhelmed. So this is day 2, and now it is time for us to wash our hair. First, I'm going in with some warm water, and I am just letting that run through my scalp to take out whatever conditioner or product buildup we still had from the day before. Now let's lather our hair up in some shampoo. Like I mentioned, this is the VO5 Extra Body Shampoo. I use this on my daughter's hair, my husband's hair. Now, some people like to say these products are cheap, but listen, if they work for me, mind your freaking business. Now, I had to wash my hair about 2 or 3 times because, like I said, I did have that protective style in for a while. And now I'm going in back with the same VO5 conditioner. And this is simply just to detangle my hair, which, as you guys can see, the comb was gliding, and that's really why I like VO5. I have type 4 natural hair, and this conditioner just gets the job done. Now, being that I had that hairstyle in for as long as I did, it is hair mask time. I got this as a gift from Sephora. I don't even know if it works. I just know I needed some type of deep conditioner or hair mask. And being that I already had that, it said it was for curly hair. It was gonna hydrate, soften, do all the things. I was like, why not? So I separated my hair in 4 sections, and the instructions on the mask was I was supposed to leave this in for about 10 minutes. Baby, I'm black. I do what I want to do. I kept it in for 30 because seriously, hear me out. You guys don't understand natural type 4 hair. Like, baby, my hair is thick. It needs all the hydration possible. So I just didn't feel like 10 minutes was going to do anything for me. You know what I'm saying? After rinsing that out though, this is what our hair is looking like. And now it is time to blow dry. I use this heat protector that I get from the beauty supply store. I use it on my daughter's silk presses, my silk presses, and I just feel like it protects my hair. I don't know, it works for me. Now, going in with my blow dryer, I'll be sure to link this blow dryer down below because listen, if you are a type 4 natural hair girly, you need this blow dryer in your life. You will feel like you are just detangling your hair, but it's blow drying at the same time. It takes me no more than 20 minutes to blow dry my entire head. When I tell you the best blow dryer I have ever had, I think I've had it now for a few years and I'm never going back to a regular one. But let me just say this, that hair mask that Sephora gave me as a gift, they knew what they was doing because, baby, I'm about to go back and get the full-size bottle. When I tell you that mask left my hair so freaking soft, so hydrated, like when I was straightening my hair, it looked so shiny, and I didn't even use any oil yet. Sephora, you got me, girl. You got me for sure. I'll be seeing y'all soon. But now I'm going in with my flat iron, and as you guys can see, I had to relocate. I was straightening my hair in my bathroom and it got so hot up in there, I had to go in my living room, girl. I could not do it. And now I am just taking small, tiny sections. Let me say this, I feel like the key to a silk press is small sections. I have fine hair and my hair is not that long. And girl, it took me over 2 hours to flat iron my entire head. That alone should just tell you, please make sure you are taking your time. Now, I know you guys heard me mention that mask. Do you see how silky and shiny my hair looks. And the only thing different in my hair routine was that hair mask that I got from Sephora. I'll be sure to link that too, because yeah, this is now a staple in my silk press routine. I can't go back. But girl, looking at my ends, I just know that I have to cut my hair today. It's been long enough. If I'm being honest, I think the last time I cut my hair was in last November. Look at me on the phone with my daddy. Why am I so hyped? But yeah, look at my ends. They are absolutely horrendous. Now, I am no professional, you know. I have never cut my hair, but I just know that it has to get done because my ends look crazy. You ain't got to tell me, girl. I know. Trust me, I know. Oh my God.
So now when I put it behind my ear, like that looks healthy, that's cute. Now this looks terrible. That's cute. That's real cute.
At this point, you could not tell me that I was not a hairstylist. My hair just started looking so much more healthy when I started getting scissor happy. At first, I was a little sad about it, you know what I'm saying? But it was coming together. Look at her.
I did good. Ooh, I like him. Dad, he's not there no more. Dad, he's not there no more either. Do you see that? Look at it now.
Yeah, perfect.
Right?
You're doing a thing.
I told you, it looks good. It looks so good. Okay, y'all, makeup.
Now for the finishing touches, I am just adding a little bit of hair grease to add a little bit more to that shine that I already had. And this was by far the best silk press I have ever done. I love the layers I did. I love the cut I did. I just love how healthy my hair looks, period.
And that was it for today's video, you guys. Silk press, baby, it's giving 10 out of 10. Your girl really did that. And first of all, I've never cut my hair. So to really cut my hair for the first time and it came out the way it did, like, I just feel like I did that. It looks so stinking cute. So freaking cute. Like, yeah. That was it for today's video, you guys. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye, girl.